Hello guys, this is Zed from AppleFix New Zealand Hamilton. So today's repair is one of the most common repairs which most of the repair shops they do this sort of repair, which is a micro USB charging port replacement. So today we have got our Samsung tablet charging port is broken, and I will be replacing it. So the reason behind showing you why, and this is most common repair, the reason behind is some people they struggle doing this very simple job, but if you have got the right equipment and right techniques, see how easy it is. It's just 5-10 minutes job replacing. So let's start it. So this is the Samsung tablet board we have got, and you can see the looks like it's water damage or something, or liquid damage. So first of all, what you have to do, put some flux around the charging port. I will make it a little bit bigger for you, so, and here as well. And then you have to use leaded low melt solder, and just so flux and low melt solder will bring the temperature, melting temperature down when we are removing it. So a little bit of here and there. It looks like it's barely sort of liquid damage. And just a little bit of here. Okay, that's it. The hot air gun I use Hako FR810B. You can buy cheaper versions of hot air gun, but honestly speaking, you don't know what temperature you set up and what temperature the air is actually coming out. And especially working on smaller ICs like U2 IC or audio ICs on iPhones or any other phone, the blow of the air is very important. Okay. And you have to be very patient here. Just wait when you see the solder is melting down. So, see, nice and easy. Okay, so it looks pretty dirty here, so let's give it a clean. Put more flux here. So if you are a repair shop in New Zealand, and it's very important to learn, otherwise these small jobs you find they are pretty difficult if you are not using the right techniques, right tools, then it gets difficult for you. Okay. Okay, looks good. So we will give it a clean now. And do remember, some of Samsung phones or Samsung tablets, they have got mic very close to the charging port. So if the charging mic is there very close to the charging port, then make sure you cover it with Kapton tape. Otherwise, if any liquid went into the mic, then it won't work, and then you have to replace the mic as well. Replacing the mic is also a very common repair, so I will keep an eye if any mic replacement is coming, then I will make a video for you. So see, it's all good for me. Clean. Oh, where is it? Here. Okay, let's go at the new charging port. Yep. So I usually, what I do, I will turn it around so that the board itself will keep it pressed down, and put some flux here, here, and here, here. So I'm just letting the soldering iron to heat up little bit. So see guys, how easy it is if you know the right techniques to do it. We offer logic board repairing course, advanced and primary level as well. So if you are interested, you can send us an email. Go to our website, which is applefix.co.nz, and you will see all the information there if you are in New Zealand. Okay, so let's. I usually clean the tips of my soldering iron almost every day when I'm using it. So that gives them longer life and makes soldering easy. So you have to keep your tools clean. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so make it full microscope here. More flux here. If you have got any question like what temperature should we remove, put on the hot air gun, and you can send me ask me in the comments. See how easy it is to solder these small connectors, but that all depends your equipment, right techniques, otherwise you will be struggling. So the legs are all done. We will do a little bit of here. Okay, so the last thing we will be doing is to check if the connectors of the charging port is all connected well, and I usually use this sort of tweezer end. So all good. Okay, so that's all done. So guys, this was a short video for today, which was Samsung charging port repair. Quite easy, doesn't take more than 10 minutes to do it. So if you have got any Samsung tablets and you live around Hamilton, New Zealand area, you can send it to us and we will do it same day and send it back to you. And all other information you can find in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.